College is a challenging but exciting transition from high school. The classes are tougher, the readings are longer, and you have to manage your time independently. However, college offers the opportunity to make new friends, join various clubs and organizations, and to study subjects that genuinely interest you. You'll have the freedom to choose your major and classes, with the option to change your area of study or explore other disciplines if needed. Professors and classes vary in size and style, with the added support of teaching assistants in larger classes. You may need to make a concerted effort to become more disciplined and self-motivated. And part of attending college involves working to improve your study skills over time. While living independently can also be tough at first, it helps that everyone is in the same boat. There are plenty of extracurricular activities to choose from, and financial aid options are often available to help cover the costs. College can be hard, but many find it rewarding, and it can lead to better job opportunities in the long run. That said, college isn't for everyone, and that's okay.